You are listening to The Vocal Technologist. Spoken Tech for your ears.
Welcome, everyone. In this session, we're digging into some really fresh insights in the world of data and AI.
That's right. We'll slice through the noise and pull out what you really need to know.
Our goal is simple. Get you up to speed fast on some potentially game-changing developments, stuff that could genuinely shift how you think about coding, building apps, the whole stack, really.
We're talking smart AI, analytics running right on your machine, and some seriously fast data crunching.
Okay, let's jump right in. There's this common headache for data teams, right?
Oh, yeah. Which one?
AI-generated SQL. It looks functional, but it often feels brittle. It needs constant manual tweaking to actually work with a real schema.
Brittle is a good word. Yeah, it's a huge time sink.
Exactly. So what's the fix?
Well, here's where it gets really interesting. There's a powerful solution emerging by pairing
Cursor.
the AI code editor.
That's the one.
Okay.
Pairing Cursor with DuckDB and MotherDuck.
Okay, DuckDB for local analytics, MotherDuck extending it to the cloud. I see where this might be going. Precisely. This combination creates this really clever self-correcting workflow. The AI, through Cursor, can actually run its SQL, debug it, and iterate on it locally using the real schema context from DuckDB.
So wait, the AI fixes its own SQL mistakes in a safe local loop.
Exactly. It's a closed-loop system. It isolates the workload, so no production risks.
Okay, that's huge.
And it dramatically cuts down on that manual debugging time. Think about freeing up your team from fixing broken queries all day.
Yeah, they could actually focus on, higher level design and innovation. Less debugging, more architecting.
That's the idea. It really shifts the focus.
That AI efficiency is fascinating. But stepping back a bit, what about where the data applications themselves actually live? We're hearing more about local-first analytics.
Yes. And what's really compelling there is an open source framework called SQL Rooms.
SQL Rooms. Okay,
Yeah.
Tell me more.
Get this. It lets you build analytics apps that run entirely in the browser or, just on your laptop. No backend needed.
No back-end infrastructure at all. How does that work?
It cleverly combines DuckDB, we just talked about that, for the in-process analytics.
Right.
A Llama for running AI models locally.
On your own machine. Well,
Yeah. And a React-based UI toolkit, so the whole thing runs client-side.
that sounds incredibly powerful. Fast, private.
And fully offline capable. Think about secure dashboards or field agents needing data without connectivity.
It feels like it really democratizes things, putting control back with the user and their device.
Exactly. It brings the whole analytical stack right to the edge.
Okay, so we've got smarter SQL generation and analytics living locally. Let's talk raw speed, especially SQL joins. They can be such bottlenecks, right?
Oh, absolutely notorious. They can bring massive queries to a crawl.
So what's new there?
Well, connecting this to data warehousing, a recent benchmark really caught my eye. It showed ClickHouse Cloud just blowing past Databricks and Snowflake in certain scenarios.
It's blowing past cow.
We're talking up to 6.6 times faster query times. And get this, over 60% cost savings.
Whoa, 6.6x faster and cheaper. How? What's the secret sauce?
The key seems to be using in-memory dictionaries instead of traditional joins.
In-memory dictionaries.
Yeah.
Okay, unpack that a little. How's that different?
Sure. So instead of, say, complex hash joins or scanning big tables on disk repeatedly,
Which is slow.
right, ClickHouse can preload and cache lookup tables directly into RAM as these dictionaries. So joining becomes less about disk I/O and more like a super fast memory lookup.
Like having an instant index ready to go.
Pretty much, and often with minimal tuning needed, which is also key.
The performance gains and cost savings sound incredible. It makes you wonder.
Exactly. Imagine that kind of speed and efficiency boost across your entire data pipeline, right? What could you do differently?
So, quite a tour today. We've touched on AI that debugs itself, analytics that can live entirely on your device.
And these incredibly fast joins rethinking core data processing.
It really feels like we're seeing some fundamental shifts.
Definitely. Think about how these pieces fit together. Smart tools like cursor isolating workflows, decentralized analytics with something like SQL Rooms boosting privacy and access, and then extreme optimization like ClickHouse offers.
It suggests new ways to tackle old problems, maybe with more agility.
I think so. Consider how that could change your own work. Could these kinds of innovations free up resources? Enable completely new data products or insights you couldn't tackle before? Something to think about.
Spoken Tech for your ears.